Welcome to our demo video part 6. So in this video we'll be talking about our income, how we generate income in this database system. So let's dive straight into it by clicking on the income button right here. So when you click on the income button, this is the income summary or overview data sheet. So as you can see, this data sheet is divided into several parts. We have the yearly income total here below, and on the left hand side we have the summary, which has the yearly income summary and the yearly expense summary, and below is the yearly profit. After we get our yearly income, we minus the expenditure from it and we have our profit here. So each of these months have its own records for the income, like for January, February to December. So below each month is the summary of the income. So for January, the total income we have here is 450. For February, the total income here is 4,750. That's past every other month. So let's go straight into January to see how that works. So if you click on January, this is the data sheet that's going to appear. And for this data sheet, it's recording everyday transaction. Like every day, every transaction you do will be mentioned here. Like for in this month, January, the first day, we did banner of 4x8 size banner. And which tab was this banner? It was a sticker tab. And how many we did? We did 5. And the unit price for it was $100, assuming. And the actual total, meaning if we times the unit price by the quantity, will give you the actual total, meaning the fixed price that we usually print this for. So now on the side, this is the sale price, which is if you're giving the person discount or the person back, you try to consider them to reduce the price. The price that you give them now will become the sale price. So the earned total will be the sale price now times the quantity we give you the earned total, which is the total amount you get for that transaction. And the customer name will be mentioned, the date they come to do that transaction will be mentioned, the time, and how many pieces remain in stock, meaning the banners, perhaps the rollers and other material. How many left in stock will be right here. So that's past the other one. Like for instance, we have computer. Let's say we sold computer. We sold computer. And which type of computer was this? This computer was HP computer. And how many pieces we sold? We sold 2 pieces. And the actual price was what? The actual price was 200. So now the actual total is supposed to be 400. But meanwhile, the person begged and we consider for 150 for each. So now is the end total will now be 300. And the customer who did this was John Peter. So we record his name and the date he came. He came the 12th month, the 12th day, 2023. So there was the time that he came to do the transaction. And the time he came was 5:23 p.m. So that was the time he came. So how many roller left in stock? Or let's say how many more computer left in stock? So we have about 45 pieces more. So we have 45 pieces more. So that's how we do this for the daily income tracking. So this is not there for specific week or whatever. Everything is drawn together. It's only with the tracking of the monthly sales, which we have the weekly. But when it comes to this, everything is drawn together. Everything is drawn together. But we consider this whole sheet to be 1 month. So after all of the transaction, the total that we have now will reflect under this January. But meanwhile, we can still see it on the data sheet. If you click go to Monday total, it will take you way down here and you will see the total for the month.